Yamaha PSR-E453 Keyboard. Those who wish to have a professional keyboard with amazing features can buy Yamaha PSR-E453. This instrument will be suitable for students because it's a solid educational tool for learning lessons. It can be easily carried because of its portable design. The organ-style keys will offer great resistance that will give a quick response which is suitable for playing the dynamic string pads. PSR-E453 has been loaded with 758 rich stereo voices that are highly useful for taking inspiration. Inspiration is required by everyone at some point, and this is why the keyboard is equipped with such features. The recording artists and students will find this feature very beneficial because it will help and they will never run short on inspiration. Top value packed features: supports USB 26 type harmonizer, 220 accompaniment styles, 48 note polyphony, 61 organ styled keys, pitch wheel, 758 onboard voices, stereo enhancement, 150 arpeggio patterns, Master EQ Yamaha Education Suite, distraction free sound. The best feature in PSR-E453 is the portable grand function, which allows the player to have lush, rich and distraction-free sound production. This was possible in grand pianos, but now with this Yamaha keyboard you can avail this feature's benefit. Advanced features: professionals and beginner students will find this keyboard extremely useful because it has been equipped with brilliant features. Such advanced features help in practice as well as performance. You can use the 220 onboard styles, which include Indian, Chinese and many more. The intelligent backing track adjusts automatically when you play the notes. These can be used for producing new music ideas. The O and USB inputs help in playing with the pre-recorded tracks. You can even record the music that is being played on this keyboard. High-quality LED display on the keyboard shows the details of the tone or tempo which is being played. Powerful music: even though this is a starter instrument, it produces powerful music. This instrument is the robust alternative for those who seek to have advanced features. Experienced players will also find PSR-E453 very useful because it has powerful sound boost system. This portable keyboard is designed with robust quality and supreme design so that it meets the requirement of the professionals. The color adds more style and polishes the overall look of the keyboard. Warranty: 3 years warranty on this keyboard. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. For more videos please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for notifications.